Hello, children. Let us look and say the kitchen items. Funnel. It is used to pour the liquids into a container without spilling. It is a funnel. Strainer. It separates liquids from solids. It is a strainer. Pot. It is used for cooking the food and holding water. It is a pot. Mixer. It reduces the manual work. It is used for grinding the pieces and gives a fine product. It is a mixer. Stove. It plays the major role in the kitchen. It is a stove. Cutting board and knife. Both are used for chopping the vegetables. Cutting board and knife. Peeler. It is used to remove the outer layer of some fruits and vegetables. It's a peeler. Churner. It is used to mash the dal and greens. It's a churner. Tablespoon. It's used for serving and eating. It's a tablespoon. Tongs. It is the tool used for holding and picking things up. Tongs. Pan. It is used to fry and saute the food. It's a pan. Ladle. It is used to stir and serve the food. It is a ladle. Bowl. It is used for holding food items. It's a bowl. Rolling pin. It is used to flatten the dough. It's a rolling pin. Tray. It's used for keeping, carrying, serving items. It's a tray. Kettle. It is used for boiling water and milk. It's a kettle. Cup and saucer. Used for serving tea and coffee. Cup and saucer. Plate. It is used for eating food. It's a plate. Tumbler. It is used to drink water. It's a tumbler. Lota. It's a water pot, typically made of brass. It's a lota. Grater. It is used to grate the vegetables. It's a grater. Lemon squeezer. It is used to squeezing out juice. It's a lemon squeezer. Hope you are familiar with these kitchen items. Use it in your day-to-day life. Thank you, children.